Morning viewers, a bit of a comfortable night's sleep. Geez, did it rain last night? It really bucketed down, and it's lucky that we actually didn't camp the night. We would have been spending most of our time trying to drive things off, but as you can see on the car, it's a bit wet. There's the drain pipe just above the car there, and it felt like somebody was actually having a bath or a shower in our room because of the noise it was making. But yeah, we're on the main highway between Melbourne and Sydney, and we're going to be turning off at a place called Chiltern, and we're going to go and check it out and see, and probably even have breakfast there. We might actually grab something from a bakery, but yeah, we'll see you in Chiltern. Okay, we're just walking down the main street of Chiltern. It's quite a historical town, pretty interesting buildings and whatnot. Okay, Tim, you want to go into the bakery? After you. Good. Morning. Huh? Yeah. So he's got a steak and pepper pie. Apple crumble for me, with 2 cappuccinos to come. Now that's what I call a cappuccino. Okay, we've just spent probably about an hour walking around Chiltern. Went to the bakery. That was really good. Very impressed. Highly recommended the bakery in Chiltern. Tin had a, what did you have? Steak pepper pie, and I had an apple crumble, and yeah, it was really nice, and the coffee was the best. And Tin's really happy because she's just bought herself an abalone bracelet from the antique shop. You happy?
Yep, thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Okay, we're going to hit the road. Today's driving is basically going to be mainly highways. We might see if we can find a few attractions off the main road. Okay, let's hit the road. Okay, we are now in New South Wales. We just crossed over the Murray River and we're on the Hume Highway heading in the direction towards Sydney, but we'll be turning off to head down to Canberra. But, a pretty boring drive. It's a freeway, or the main highway. A few cars around, but it's not too bad. But yeah, hopefully we'll see something where we can turn off and find something of interest along the way. I know Gundagai, we could probably stop there and go and check out the dog on the tucker box and see what that's like. Okay, let's just keep heading more north. Okay, we've just turned off the main highway, heading into Holbrook. Got to get some petrol, and we're going to check out the local attraction, which happens to be a submarine. Just had a look at the submarine. That was pretty good. And now we just hit the road, head off to Gundagai, check that out. It's a good place to stop here, Holbrook, get off the main highway, take in a few places of interest. Yeah, good little pit stop. We're just in Gundagai. Gonna have a bit of a break here. Check out local scenery, if there is any. I know there's the dog on the tucker box, but I don't know whereabouts that is. But we will find it. Not a bad looking town actually. I've never been in here. And it looks busy. heading in the direction of Yass. Yeah, interesting place. Couldn't find the tucker box. Buggered if I know where that is. Maybe if I would have gone to tourist information, I would have been able to find it, but oh well, something for next time. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just following this road. It went up to a lookout and now we're going downhill. Hopefully it comes back out in township. I would say so. Looks like a round trip. Okay, we're heading back out onto the Hume Highway and I just saw a sign saying dog on tucker box 6 kilometres. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Let this truck go past. Okay. So it obviously is up the road from here. And Yass is about 100 kilometres away. Okay, we'll see you at the tucker box. Okay, that was the dog on the tucker box. What do you think, Tin? It's okay?
Yeah, I look like a possum.
Yeah, a bit of a tourist attraction. What can I say? I saw it when I was 10 years old with my mum and dad. And yeah, it wasn't as built up as what it is today. And yeah, it's all just like souvenir shops and whatnot. Anyway, let's hit the road, get to Yass, and from there on we'll look for accommodation heading towards Canberra. Still on the Hume Highway. Yeah, heading in the direction of Yass. Pretty boring drive, the Hume Highway, but it's a good way to get from one place to another. Okay, we're in Yass, budget motel for the night, and yeah, well, let's check it out. Room number 6 is ours, which is just there. Oh, that's nice. It's only small. It's about the cheapest I could find. These days, motels are a lot more expensive than what they used to be. Hopefully the footage is not too dark. Bit old fashioned, but that's pretty cool. Okay, let's settle in.